Let me give you a tour inside the largest floating library, the Lagos Hop Ship. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. So here we go.
Hi.
You'll be featured on me. On my video. We kwenda huko. Say hi, Martin.
Hi guys.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. What's your channel?
Say hi.
What's your channel?
What's my channel? My name.
I want to give it.
See what's up. Take two status alafu pale ni aje ma views ni aje.
Say hi.
Hi, how are you? My name is Adija.
Our tour guide for the day.
So news.
So that ship, Doulos, is as old as the Titanic. They were built the same year. But when Titanic failed...
Lagos Hope Ship is a Christian ship. It deals with volunteers, and its main aim is to share knowledge, help, and hope with people of the world. This is the partners lounge. This is where us as volunteers used to change our clothes from our home clothes to the working clothes. And then we also used to rest here whenever you feel you're tired. And there's some books for whoever wanted to read. Yeah, it was such a comfy place. And these are the cabin rooms where the crew members sleep. Well, I didn't get the chance to visit them. When you're inside, it doesn't really feel like you're in a ship, but wait until you get outside. Oh.
Welcome to the world. Now you know you are in a ship.
Oh.
Now you know.
Such a breathtaking view. I know. Yeah, so this is the control room. This is where everything in the ship is being controlled from. And we got a chance to see the machines and everything. Such a nice experience. From here, I could see the Likoni footbridge, which apparently I've never visited before. Well, I've still not visited. I guess I just don't have the interest to. But anyway, maybe I will someday. We were giving this tour to Mr. Alex, our visitor, who came all the way from Nairobi to Mombasa just to visit the ship and see how it is inside. That was cool. Hey, yo. Hello. How are you? You okay?
You have a capacity of 80.
Oh, yeah. I know. I didn't tell you that they accept families in the ship. So if you're a volunteer and you have a wife and children and you feel like you can't leave them behind, you want to be with them in the ship, then you're welcome. They have a school where the children go to, and when they reach a certain age, then they do the homeschooling or whatever that system is. So yeah, this is the school. Such a beautiful one. They also have a playground. I mean, I just enjoyed everything. Unasikianga kuna school and group of schools. Yeah, so hii ni group of schools. Like they have a music class or computer class, that's a science room or whatever that is, kani lab. Yeah, I mean, it's such a nice school. There is the playground. That's where the kids come out to play, to relax, to chill. There's the bicycles, toys, swings, slides. And something that really interested me with this playground is the fact that it has a very, very beautiful, breathtaking view. Oh my goodness. I couldn't get my eyes off this place, honestly. And the breeze in this place, wow, it was just amazing. Can only imagine staying here the whole day, just enjoying the breeze and the view. I mean, it's awesome. Such a nice place, really. And this is one of their many rooms where they hold events, prayers, and all those things. The cafeteria is the place where kids used to flock simply because of the things being sold and it had nice views. I mean, uko ndani ya maji, so you just expect to see water and water. Yeah, water. Anyway, that's my friend Anne. I met so many beautiful people in this ship. So many nice friends, amazing people. And it was a very nice experience that I don't take for granted. Yeah, there are popcorns being sold, ice cream, chocolate, slush, sandwiches, just everything. And those are the seats. You know me, you know I like being in the kitchen. And there's no way I could miss visiting their kitchen. I just wanted to see how it is, what they do inside. Yeah, and I got that opportunity because apparently people are not allowed to go into those different sectors, but I did mini nani. So here is where they prepare every kind of food. And this is one of my favorite places simply because I like eating. Of course, if you like being in the kitchen, that means you like eating. And yeah, I like eating good food. And these people are serving some really, really nice food. They used to cook so many types of food in a day. Oh my goodness. And that was interesting because there are different people from over 70 nationalities in the ship. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner was served in this dining area. And you serve only that you can finish and only what you can eat. Hapa ndo nasikianga there is first time for everything because where my stomach so many foods and I was so scared of my stomach. I just prayed that it doesn't react, and well, it didn't. So yeah, I'm good. Of course.
Anakunywa vitu gani hivi? Inakaa kama pombe.
Hiyo ni juu. Ni tamu.
Tamu man.
Oh, they must also see who is recording.
Who focus?
I am not focusing. They must also see my outfit. Hello, she's making a YouTube.
Hello.
Say hi.
Wait, a YouTube?
Yes.
Hello, YouTube.
She has
I'm Kian.
she has a page.
A page?
Yes.
So what is it for? Is it for...
I also visited the gym. This is their small gym where they come to keep fit and build their muscles. Well, they have another gym, a big one, a pitch, and a hospital, which I didn't get to visit. But I hope you've enjoyed the tour. I hope you've seen how a ship looks like in the inside. I didn't get to show you the library because I showed it in my previous video. You can check it out. And stay tuned for more amazing videos. This is the night view. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Bye.